Hello, welcome to CES 2018. My name is Craig Bremner. I'm the National Sales Manager for Massive Audio, and I have my beautiful assistant, Sophia.
Hi everyone, welcome.
We have presenting this year our biggest and our baddest effort in the field of subwoofers. Front here is the neodymium driven BOA, the BOA restrictor, or constrictor as we call it. High efficiency is the goal, maximum output is the key. Over 105 dB sensitivity with high efficiency neodymium magnets on a 3-inch flat wound voice coil assures that the output is massive. Hippo and Gordo also accent the line. Both of these subwoofers contain high output, high level 3-inch voice coils, overstacked 450 ounce magnets. If you want big and you want the best, get it massive.
Okay, can you say that one part again? If you want it big, if you want it bad, massive, and go.
If you want it big and you want it bad, you get massive.